The day you learn to be publicly specific in your prayer, that is the day you will discover power. But you, when you pray, go into your room, and when you have your door shut, pray to your Father who is in the secret place, and your Father who sees in secret will reward you openly. Be anxious for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. The eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are open to their cry. Whatever things you ask in prayer, believing you will receive. Pray without ceasing. Call to me, and I will answer you, and I will tell you the great and hidden things that you have not known.